Hello friends, hello students. I am Nitin Dubey and I completed my 10th in 2016 from Hillman Public School and scored a well 10 CGPA. After that I completed my 12th from Simpkins Public School and scored 95.2%. After that I pursued my graduation from Institute of Engineering and Technology, Lucknow. I am with the passion of teaching the students in the period of lockdown. I used to teach the students in the online mode. After that, I liked to teach the students of class 7th and class 8th at my home due to COVID. And now I am giving tuitions at my home to the students. Teaching is my passion because I like to spread the knowledge among students so that they can also have some idea on and the concepts related to the subject that I have taken. And I personally believe that if you become the teacher and if you follow the passion of teaching, then definitely you will given a respect among students. You are able to earn the high amount of money, and also your knowledge gradually increases day by day. So this is first about why I want to become a teacher. I want to become a teacher because at Vedantu also, because Vedantu is a very good edtech platform that provides students a very good study material so that they can perform better in exams. And now I want to teach you about the subject mathematics, and the topic that I have taken is ratio. This is the topic of class 7th as well as is come in class 8th. What is ratio, students? Ratio is the comparing quantity. If you compare two things, the two things can be anything. If you compare two things, like suppose you compare height of one student with the height of other students, or you compare the weight of one student with the weight of other student, and it is you comparing, then it is called ratio. Ratio is used in mathematics in every field. It is used also in percentage, it is also used in decimals. So what is ratio? Ratio is the comparing quantity which is used in comparing two things. And one of the most important thing is that you have to keep in mind the ratio can be applied if the quantities are of same quantity. For example, if you compare the two quantities which are in liters, then they should be both quantities should be in liter. It is not that you compare one thing in liter and other thing in meter. You cannot compare length with milliliter. You cannot compare volume with area. You cannot compare with length with area. You have to be, the both quantities should be same. The ratio is represented by the semicolon sign. A is to B. We read the ratio is A is to B, where is to is the sign of is to is called ratio. A is to B. Then ratio has many applications, and when we study further proportion, which is called proportion, the ratio, when we compare two ratios, then it is become proportion. Proportion also is the part of ratio, which is extended further. So if for example, if we take the example of comparing the ages of two persons, suppose if there is the age of father, suppose x years, and suppose the age of his son is 1/5 times of the age of father. Suppose father x is x, suppose we let the age of father be x and the age of his son be x/5, right? X/5, because the age of son is 1/5 of the age of father. So if the father age is x years, then the son age is x/5. If we take the ratio, then x is to the ratio sign and x/5. Then x is cancel out, 1 is to 1/5. After multiplying both sides by 5, the ratio is 5:1. It means that father is 5 times the age of his son. If son is 5 years old, then father is 25 years old. If son is 10 years old, then father is 50 years old, because father age is 5 times the age of his son, that is the meaning. So if we covered the topic ratio in our class. Thank you, student. I hope you have the complete concept of what is ratio. Thank you, students.